I'm Blake Pfeiffer, and I'm studying in the welding technology program. You get to do a bunch of different cutting methods and different types of welding. You learn a lot about theory. Teachers are really cool. They take time out of the class to really help you. They really want to have you succeed. People are really cool. It was not like I got to do better than everybody else. A lot of camaraderie between the students. Going into the workforce does sound appealing because, you can make money right away. But when you go to Thaddeus, you can learn that trade a lot better. So then you'll have picks for better jobs. I go to class in the morning and then I work at a structural shop. The first day I was there, I didn't have anybody looking over my shoulder. There was no learning curve where they have to teach me. I walked in the door and I started.